Okay, hello again, everyone. Guys, let's do this exit ticket. I went ahead and printed it out in case you're having trouble with it. We're going to find the slope. Looks like it's 8 problems. All right, if you remember the formula. All right, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Doesn't matter what you call y1 or y2 and x2 and x1. Just as long as you keep this as a point and this is the other point. All right? So let's do it. With the first problem, you got the 2 points. Again, I always say take the first one, let's write it upside down. The x goes on the bottom. 1, -3, minus, start like that. Then write the other point. -1, -5, upside down, so that the x is on the bottom. Okay, when you see negative, negative like that, just make them plus, plus. This is -3 plus 5, that's 2. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So 2 over 2 is 1, okay? Number 2. Take the first point upside down. All right, the x goes on the bottom, the y goes on the top. I'll put your subtraction sign and write the next point upside down. Okay, we have 14 minus 10. That's 4. -15 minus 12 more is -27. That's the answer. All right, number 3. I always start like that. Take the point upside down. All right, take the next point upside down. -10 goes on the bottom. All right, this is -5 minus 20 more. That's -25. All right, this says minus, minus right here. Whenever they're together like that, just take them and go plus, plus. This is -5 plus 10. That's 5. There's 25 divided by 5 is 5. And there's a negative, so it's -5. Okay. Number 4. And that's how I always start. Write the point upside down. Put my subtraction sign in. Again, because that's the formula, guys. Up here, it's a subtraction in between each of these. And we're looking for the distance between the x and the y, the distance between them. This says 15 and 6. -18, take away 6 more. It's -24. This is like adding up 2 negative numbers. You get a bigger negative. And this is starting with 2, take away 15. So it's going to be, the difference is 13, and it's going to be negative. All right, these are both negative. That makes it a positive. That's the answer. All right, let's just go ahead and do number 5. I'll do it underneath this time. All right, first point is 1, 1. Our next point is 2, negative 18. All right, this is negative and negative right together like that. So just go plus, plus. 18 plus 1 is 19. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Because that's negative down there, this just becomes negative 19, okay? Let's do number 6 now, right here. All right, take the point, upside down, 15, negative 17. Put my subtraction signs. Next point is negative 12, 17. All right, this is negative 17 minus 17 more. That's negative 34. It's not 0. All right, this is 15 minus minus. That's plus plus. 15 plus 12. 27. Negative. Yep, right there. All right, 2 more. Number 7. Start like that. Upside down, 6, 1. Upside down, negative 11, 1. Uh-oh. 1 minus 1. That's 0. This doesn't even matter. As long as it's not 0. 17. That equals 0. That's a flat line. Of course it's flat. 1 and 1. You see that? Okay. Last one. 2, negative 18. $15, negative 14. Okay, that's a minus minus. So now it's a plus plus. This is negative 18, and we're adding 14. So the difference is 4. Between 18 and 14, the difference is 4. And that's negative. So this is negative 4 on top. The bottom is start with 2 and take away 15. So that's negative 13. They're both negative, top and bottom. So make them both positive. And that's the answer, okay? All right, guys, I have to stop now. I'm running out of time. I hope that helped you.